Sara and her dog. Sara will have a white dog. The dog's name will be Max. Max will be very friendly. Sara and Max will play every day. They will play in the garden. Sara will draw a blue ball. Max will run and will catch the ball. Then Max will bring the ball back. Sara will pat Max on the head. Max will wag his tail. Sara will give Max water. Max will drink the water. Sara will sit under a big tree. Max will lie down next to Sara. Sara will read a book. Max will sleep near her feet. Sara will smile at Max. Max will open one eye and will look at Sara. They will be best friends. Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. What color will the dog be? The dog will be white. What will the dog's name be? The dog's name will be Max. Will Max be friendly or mean? Max will be very friendly. Where will Sara and Max play? They will play in the garden. What color will the ball be? The ball will be blue. Will Max catch the ball? Yes, Max will catch the ball. What will Sara give to Max? Sara will give Max water. Where will Sara sit? Sara will sit under a big tree. Will Max sleep near Sara's feet or far away? Max will sleep near Sara's feet. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.